Imagine if every product you own, from sneakers to coffee mugs, could earn you money online by existing in a virtual world. That's the newest online earning hack for 2025, digital twin side hustles. Most side hustles require selling or constant effort, but what if you could create a virtual version of something once and keep earning passively? Digital twins are virtual replicas of real products. Companies use them for simulations, but now individuals can monetize them. For example, you can design a digital twin of a sneaker and sell it in gaming marketplaces or metaverse platforms. Reports show US digital creators are already experimenting with digital twins. Early adopters are earning hundreds per month by selling virtual versions of real items to gamers, collectors, and metaverse users. Here a step-by-step guide. Pick a product you own or design. Create a digital twin using 3D modeling tools. List it on marketplaces, gaming, metaverse, NFT platforms. Set pricing and earn each time it's purchased or rented. Don't wait until this trend goes mainstream. Start creating digital twins today and build a passive income stream that grows with demand.